Hold up. Let's give my girl Diamond some love in the background. Like mommy, like daughter, Diamond. I miss her. Rest in heaven. What's good? It's me, Felicia Marie, and welcome back to my channel. All right, so I wanted to be fair. I've been leaving my hair alone, but listen, your girl missed you guys. And I know you probably like, after the Loc count, what happened? 6 months, DIY Micro Loc journey, and then we'll hear from you. I just left my hair alone for a minute, but I wanted to touch bases with you all because we're approaching 8 months and this is what my hair is looking like. So let me give you, this is on stretched hair, right? And my hair was in a ponytail overnight. This is what we're looking like. I corrected all of my holes and my unraveling, which aside from my video, if you had not seen my do's and don'ts and then my unraveling video, check them out, guys. After this particular video, go back and check it out. I didn't have much more to fix. Now, as far as this stretch style goes, I put a little bit of my almond avocado leave-in conditioner in this water bottle, and I just mist my hair all over, and I pulled it back in a ponytail overnight, pretty much like this, and then it stretched it some. Just wanted to talk a little bit about what I did today. So, okay, when it comes to gray hairs, what I want to do is pluck it out, but because they're getting out of control in the middle, I'm going to try this quick cover root touch up by Kiss Colors. And because I have my hair down today, I'm usually fluffing it all the time. I don't want to have my hands in my head too much, so let's just see. It kind of looked like a mascara brush, so I'm gonna dab it throughout a little bit as such. Right here, I see one right there. Now, I can't get all of them, but I'm at least try to get as many as I can see so I can go on about my day until I can figure this color situation out for these grays. And luckily, they're not taking over my whole head, but I can see them, y'all. They're there. All right, I think that's it. That's about all I'm gonna do. As I'm still going. And there we have it. Close that up. Now, I don't know if it get on your hands or nothing, but I got a white shirt on today and I'm gonna put my blazer on. And so I'm gonna try not to do too much fluffing in the top, but maybe more so around the parameters of my hair, and keep it moving, y'all. Peace. Because we're not coloring or anything just yet, right? We don't want to interrupt anything that's going on. Felicia, don't you do it. So, and it's not like the gray is taking over just yet. So we're going to just roll with that for now. It's looking frizzy, but it's cool. It need to be washed, all that. Recently had a retie, so it wasn't really that bad, but let me give you guys a 360 view just to see what we're looking like. Also, I wanted to show you guys something. For whatever reason, underneath here, I can really see the twist pattern still. More than like through the top of my hair. Same on this side. Underneath, twists. I see them. Like, they are not going anywhere, guys. Look at the twist. You can kind of see. But, you know, it's looking like it's doing something. But up and through here, definitely I can see the twist. Yeah. Just wanted to share that part with you all. See that? See that? See. But not so much like through here. But definitely on the sides. So we're making progress. Long story short, I ended up purchasing this Microloc hook needle, which is so small. It was $1.99 at a local beauty supply store. It does not give me the size, but I got some advice from a few of you suggesting that I try a smaller crochet hook to kind of correct the holes. So I use this little guy to fix the issues that I had. And I used it on maybe 2 locks, but I'm gonna keep it on standby. So that is new. And then I also wanted to mention, like, when I first started interlocking my hair, I was using this hook here. And what would happen is once I get ready to pass it as close to my scalp as possible, it was really hard to go through another loop or, you know, make another tie. And so I ended up, for this, it was 99 cents. It says it's for sister locks, but it doesn't state the size either. But in comparison to the hook I was using, this one's a little bit smaller in regards to the hair that I put through the actual interlocking tube. So that's what I'm using. Still just my castor oil, guys. Just my castor oil. So I haven't done much styling other than the ponytail that I just did to stretch my hair. And then I'm just rocking it free like this. That's really all I've been doing. As far as changes go, a little bit more tangling is taking place. I've been getting the itch to just stick my head under some water, y'all, and free form wash it without banding and braiding. It is highly encouraged to band and braid to prevent slippage and all of that, but some days I just feel agitated and like my scalp is irritable. I just want to stick my whole head under some water. You feel me? Like, what is that? What is going on? So I know it's a process and my hair is trying to figure out, hey, what is happening, Felicia? What are you doing to your scalp? But as far as scalp health and things like that go, I'm constantly examining, guys. Like, I try to keep my hands out my head, but I try to feel around. And sometimes I feel like I'll find like a sore spot or something and I'll like scrape it off. But I'm looking and feeling. Probably shouldn't do that, but I do. Just because I just don't want to miss nothing. I don't want to miss anything. So yeah. So that's kind of where we are, but I'm so grateful for you all for chiming in and giving me advice and helping me to stay motivated along my journey. I wouldn't go back for anything. Like, the weather is starting to break here in Virginia, and I'm like, the spray, get up and go, embrace my natural hair texture is working out. No budding yet, nothing like that, no real changes. The frizz, like I said, I don't even think my hair is usually this frizzy. It's only because of me spraying it before I stretched it, which I kind of like that spray, and it kind of gives me more length. I'm probably gonna do a video too, just a Q&A about getting to know me. Or I'm a tall girl, 5'11", y'all, and I ain't in my 30s no more. But if you don't tell nobody, I won't tell nobody. But I might do like a tall girl haul. Getting to know me, like I just said. If you have some questions about me that you'd like to know, I'd be more than happy to answer them within reason. And then if I do any styles or anything like that, I'll be sure to let you all know about that too. So as always, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your support and just sending my lock love and peace to each of you. Later, y'all. Also, I want to acknowledge the 2 viewers who commented on how many micro locks you think I had. One of you said 380 and the other said 400. I had a total of 323 locks. In my eyes, you're both winners. Would love to connect with you and send you a gift card. Thanks for your participation.